So I had a company give me this portable 2-burner propane camping stove. As you can see, it does come with a really nice carrying bag that fits the unit and all the accessories. And the unit itself actually has a really good carrying handle on it. Makes it super convenient to pull it out of the bag and get it set up. Now, the unit itself is held together by magnets, so it's not just going to flop open. You have to actually open it yourself. Each burner has its own controller here, and it is just a single button control, but it does have an automatic ignite on it. Now, when it comes to the flames of this unit, this is going to burn very evenly. Why do I say that? It's because the burner itself has tons of different flame holes. It's not just around the edges, it's all throughout. So being somebody who likes to cook, that is very important. Now it also has these windproof grates. So they're just gonna lock right onto the top. Now the unit itself and the grates are made out of a pretty heavy duty metal, and they are powder coated, so it's definitely going to protect that metal being powder coated. Now they also provided this pan here, and the handles on it are surrounded with rubber, so you're not going to burn yourself. The rubber will definitely protect your hands. Now you will have to provide your own propane tank. However, if you are somebody who's concerned with safety, this unit came with a very long hose. This is the distance you're going to have between your burners and your gas. So it comes in really convenient for me because I can just stick this thing on the ground while cooking on the table. So all in all, if you're looking for a very portable 2-burner camping stove, then you may want to consider this one. It is built very well. They really did provide everything for you, and they also have safety in mind. What more can you ask for?